I'm Dr. Aarushi from Sense Clinic, New Delhi. Sense Clinic and Intelligent Aging is one of the pioneer clinics in the country that came up with the concept of whole body approach to beauty and inner wellness. We often see people coming with concerns of chronic hair fall, pigmentation issues, persistent acne, unexplained weight gain, or inability to lose your weight. And we always guide them back that your skin and hair health is often a reflection of what's happening inside your body. So using a combination of aesthetic medicine and functional medicine, we can together, hand in hand, achieve a much better and long-term sustainable results for your skin, hair, body or wellness.